Hi again. In this new video, we will talk about, and I choose to allocate a special recording for this session only because it is quite comprehensive and you need to understand it better and why do you have some restrictions on it. It is about the special leave reason, partial time off, and hours setup. This leave reason, this partial time of leave reason, and our setup are working together and are tied up one to each other. You cannot customize this is fixed and you should use it as it is. Basically what this is doing, as I said in the preview video, these 12 leave reasons are fully customizable and it handles every one of these. Only full day leave, okay, only full day PTO, only full day leave, time of request, no matter how you want to call it, is doing the same thing. This special one, partial time off, is handling, uh, is particularly set up for the leave request where it's not about a full day leave. Okay, so if you have an employee and it's asking for 2 hours off from the office, or 5 hours or 6 hours, you have to use this partial time off leave reason combined with the hours setup. You have here already preset up timer up to 24 hours maximum per day, okay, and starting from 50 minutes and it's incremented from 50 to 50 minutes up to 24 hours. And that's because maybe an employee wants to leave from the office 1 hour and 30 minutes, maybe another 3 hour and 50 minutes, maybe 4 hour and 45 minutes, and so on. You can customize this, it's fully customizable. You can update this, change it based on your needs, but I think these increments cover all your needs. But in case it doesn't, you have the freedom to update this list based on your needs. Okay, so we have the partial time off reason with the abbreviation PTO and the hours setup. What you have to do here, every time you have a time of request, you came in the time of records and record a new request. Okay, as I have here Michael Johnson, maybe Emily Davis. The system will update automatically the ID and the position for this employee Emily Davis. You record a start date. Maybe Emily Davis in this case needs to be off the office in February 19, and we record it as a partial time off, and she needs to be off 2 hour and 50 minutes. And we approve it. Okay, what I want to say before going forward, you have here this list for the partial hours. This is directly connected with the list from the settings tab, the hour setup. Everything you record here in this section will automatically update this option from the partial hours. Okay, if you change something there, it will be changed in here also. So we have Emily Davis on February 19, partial time off 2 hour and 50 minutes, and it is approved. Let's have a look on employee per year. We select it's 2024, we select Emily Davis. The system is updated and we have in February 2 hours and 50 minutes on 90 February. Okay, if we are going back and change it from 2 hours and 50 minutes, let's say 3 hours and 45, if we're going back, we see that Emily Davis on February 90 is having 3 hours and 45. That means these numbers to say so, that it is a request approved for a partial time off. When it is about a full day, you see this highlighted, and the abbreviation where we have only the numbers, it means that it is about a partial time off request. Going forward in the employee per month, We already have the February selected, and we see Emily Davis, 90 February, 3 hours and 45 minutes. If we update it, let's say, just to prove that this is working and how it is working, let's say Emily David wants half of day, presuming that it's having working day of 8 hours, she needs a half day, meaning 4 hours. And if we go back to the employee per year, we have 4 hours, and employee per month, we have Emily Davis, 4 hours time, partial time off. And it is recorded, of course, Emily Davis in top 5 because Jessica Smith is having 5 hours here, and Emily Davis with 4 hours as we see here, and is the second in the top 5 most used partial time off. Okay, forward the same partial time of hours we'll see for Emily Davis. Let's go and see in February, because it was on 19 February, she's having 4 hours partial time off, and it is recorded in total we have 15 hours, because I have more dummy data about Emily Davis in this tracker. In the settings I already explained the partial time of reason with abbreviation and the list for our setup, which you can update it, of course. In the PTO allocation, you will have for Emily Davis totally 1.88. That's because an entire amount of partial time of hours, meaning let's go for Emily Davis. She's having 50 hours totally for the 2024, and these 15 hours are calculated and converted in full days, which means 1.88 days. The calculation, the conversion from the partial time of hours to full days is done based on how many hours we recorded for Emily Davis for a full working day. So if Emily Davis is having a schedule of 8 hours per day, per working day, that means that her 15 hours, it means 1.88 days. If we change it, let's say Emily Davis is part-time employee and she is having a schedule of 4 hours, that means that she consumed only from partial time of 3.75 days. But that's not the case. She's having an 8-hour schedule, and she consumed only 1.88 days. Further in the dashboard, okay, we see Emily Davis. She's having 6 days of vacation in 2024 and 50 partial time of hours consumed. Totally it means 7 hours, 7 days and 7 hours and 0 minutes, because he's having 50 hours in total. To prove that this is working up to minutes, let me change from 4 hours to 4 and 50 minutes, and you will see the calculation. So she's having now 50 hours and 50 minutes, and totally consumed 7 days, 7 hours and 50 minutes, and is remaining from a total of 24 60 days, 0 hours and 45 minutes of PTO. Okay, and what that's what happens with the partial time off custom leave reason. In fact, it is not quite custom. I'm used to use custom because I'm focused a lot on this. This is a fixed leave reason, and you can use it only for partial time off request and in combination with our setup. If you use our setup with any other type of leave reason, the hours will not do absolutely anything. The system is set up to work only with the partial time off reason. Okay, I hope this is clear, I hope this is useful, and I will see you in the next video with the PTO allocation tab. This is the last one, not the last one, it's the dashboard. Next video we will going to talk about this great tab also, PTO allocation, and I will explain you everything with great details. Thank you. See you soon.